Welcome back to Monster Truck Island. This time, this is the track. Rainbow. That was slide. Crush that. Go to the rickety bridge. Go through the boneyard, and the one who goes to the finish line first is the winner. Ready? Let's go. First up, Bone Shaker, Podium Crasher. Now here's a race between two red rockets. Of course, that's it. Podium Crasher goes to the finish line first. Wow, that's nice, huh? Who wants tomato gold? What is he hit? What is he saying? Round two. Pure muscle. Torterra. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Ooh, Torterra passed by and knocks down Pure Muscle. Nice, huh? Pump up the swat. Hound Hauler. Hotweiler. Now here's a race between Doc versus a dog catcher. Go. Ooh. Hound Hauler barely almost goes to the first line, and Hotweiler gets the ball and takes it. Keep on howling.
Already handling this
Lose. Oh man.
No, doubtless.
High capacity smash. Let's go and more rounds. Bone Shaker, Evil Goblin. Raju. Raju is the newest monster truck set. Do it. Bone Shaker, Evil Goblin takes the first win. Race 5. Demo Derby. Big bullets. Go big, go up here. Ooh, Demo Derby takes the win. That's a nice move, Demo Derby. Just right. Round 6. Hotweiler Toxic. Snake Bus. Yep. Go. Ooh, Hotweiler. Box. Wait, you can go. Yeah. Oh, barely. Just go to the finish line. Hotweiler Toxic wins.
Really hard. We'll crash. We're gonna snake bite. Crash. Snake bite. Snake bite. Snake thing over there. Bite and crew. Semi-final.
I mean, round 2. Podium Pressure. Torterra. It's time to crash you out of here. Well, that may be true, but I will go into the semifinals. Ooh, Torterra passes by and takes the win. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. What happened to the Podium Crasher? Hotweiler. Torterra. Sit down, doggy. I'm gonna win into the finals. Huh. But I'm gonna get the bone. Ooh!
Wow.
Hotweiler just gets stuck in the bone and that hot wire. Bone Shaker Evil Goblin Demo.
You already go to the bone. Huh? Already? Dad, alright. I order a safe one.
Go. Ooh! Demo Derby. Wait. Let's see the replay. Does Demo Derby go to the finish line?
Ow! Ow!
Does Demo Derby get past the finish line? Maybe a little.
What happened to Bone Shaker?
Semi-final 2. Hot Wire Toxic Demo Derby.
Huh? I'm under the final lap. I'll finish the race.
Go it. Ooh, Demo Derby! Takes the win! How about Toxic just got stuck over there? And Demo Derby takes the win. By a head.
Chonkus.
Well, folks, this is it. Our finalist will jump for the Mega Kid. He is cool. He is fast. He will knock you down in style. His third terror. One part punk, one part fun. He'll go extreme to live the dream as Demo Derby.
Alright, these are kind of...
Umari Bugadu. I'm gonna win this one.
Yeah, watch out of the boneyard.
What here? Pass by and just kick down Demo Derby.
Not like that.
Yeah, because Tokyo just kicked Demo Derby, you know. Pump up the swat. Demo Derby. Sword Terror takes the win for today, folks.
Demo Derby already is so close.
Yeah, Demo Derby is also so close.
Because Toy Terror put down and I was like,
Rainbow.
Kaka. Nice.